Meihei Industrial Equipment, Shanghai, Company Limited, a subsidiary of Shandong Yinghe Group, is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in mechanical parking systems. Headquartered in Shanghai, it operates a factory spanning 45 mu, approx. 3 hectares, with a 12,000 square meter steel workshop, supported by a workforce of 200, including 65 technical professionals, and 17 engineers, and equipped with advanced CNC and precision equipment. The company offers a full range of intelligent parking solutions, including lift slide, vertical circulation, tower, and compact smart garages. Renowned for safety, intelligence, space efficiency, and modern design. Certified with CE and ISO 9001, residential and public sectors worldwide, with exports to Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and the Americas.